how loose.
No, I'm just saying. So like, if we meet up, because I mean, me and my friends want to get laid, so.
That's not.
We can have a foursome.
You mean five?
Come see me.
Well, we can have a five-some. 4 of us and a 6-some and 2 of you. So.
Yeah,
Is that possible?
Wait, how many friends do you have with you?
1, 2, 3, 4, but I don't think
One for
that
each
would
of
be
us.
down for it.
You don't think
Why
what?
not? Do you have a small penis?
I don't think 2 of them would be down for it.
What?
That's
Are they gay?
Are they gay?
Well, no, just very
Preserved? Modest.
Are they modest?
Are their pants shuttered?
Shuttered? You mean sheltered?
Oh.
Are you prude?
Oh, wait. Hold on.
Get back to the motel and we'll work on that other, okay?
Okay, hold on. Can I ask you one more
Can
question?
we fuck in my car?
Can I ask you one more question?
Just kidding.
Hang up on me.
What a dick.
Fine. Dude, who doesn't? Seriously?
Who passes
if I
every
were a
opportunity
guy,
to fuck?
If I were a guy, I'd be like, where are you? Okay?
Seriously.
I'm just saying.
You wanna fuck?
I think we're hot. If you want to know the truth.
Yeah.
And so, for you to say,
We
I don't
might.
know.
I don't
and
I don't
2
think
of
so.
them
You don't-
might.
Did he say it depends on if it's loose?
No,
That's not what he said.
he did not say. He said it depends on who or something like that. Not it depends with.
Chelsea, that means he only wants you.
No, he means all.
Sorry.
I kept going on.
Oh my god.
No. So can I get your number?
So can I get it?
Can I have it? So can I have it?
And then he came up right after we got done saying
Okay, I'm gonna get gum.
Okay.
Y'all wanna come with me?
Yeah.
Yeah, I wanna come with